First, we need to install the Arduino IDE. Click the link provided and navigate to the download link for your platform. If you're using a Mac, once it's finished downloading, you'll need to drag the application to the Applications directory. Now connect the Arduino bit to your computer using a micro USB cable. Then connect a power bit and turn it on. First, you'll need to download the Arduino Sketch. Click the link provided, then go to File, Save Page As. Choose a location that you'll remember. Take the .txt ending off the file name. You want to make sure it ends in a .ino. Now we need to open the sketch in the Arduino IDE. Say OK to have a folder automatically created for the sketch. Now click Tools, Board, and choose Arduino Leonardo. Go back to Tools, Serial Port, and choose TTY USB modem. The number at the end may be different on your computer. Finally, let's upload the sketch to the Arduino. You'll only have to complete this step once, unless you upload a different sketch to the Arduino. Now we'll need to install the Scratch Browser plugin. Click the link provided, and then click the link for your platform. Unfortunately, Linux is not supported at this time. Once it's done downloading, you'll have to drag the plugin to the plugins directory and authenticate. You'll need to restart the browser to activate the plugin. Here, I'm just making sure the plugin was activated. Yep, there it is. The last step is to import the extension into your Scratch project. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the File menu. Now choose Import Experimental Extension and enter the URL displayed on the screen. If you did everything correctly, the littleBit block should appear and the indicator light should turn green and say Connected. The littleBits extension adds 6 new blocks to Scratch. The first, Digital Write, lets you turn an output pin completely on or off. On being high, off being low. Analog Write lets you send a value between 0 and 255 to the output pin. 0 being low or off, and 255 being high or on. Next, we have digital read and analog read. Now notice they're two different shapes. Digital read has pointy ends and analog read has rounded ends. That's because digital read is a Boolean block. It will only ever tell you true or false. Any value other than 0 will return true, and 0 returns false. Analog read will return a value between 0 and 255. The final two blocks are called hat blocks because they go on top of a block stack. Hat blocks will wait until their condition is true. Then they'll execute any blocks that are attached to them. Make sure to use fresh batteries. If you feel like something's not working right, try a new battery. Low batteries will cause issues when using higher powered devices like the DC motor or the servo motor. When using a sensor that only has an on or an off state, like the sound trigger, the button, or the roller switch, be sure to connect the power source directly to the bit. It needs to be connected like this, not like this. When using an analog sensor, like the dimmer or the slide dimmer, do not connect the power bit directly to the sensor. Instead, connect it to one of the other inputs on the Arduino bit. Connecting the power bit directly to the sensor will result in incorrect readings. It should look like this, not like this.